Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I am here on the Not Too Shabby channel to bring you a video, and it's a very quick and some very easy cards that I want to share with you. I don't know if you heard, but Jamie has restocked the Pink Berry Blast paper pad, 6x6 paper pad, and the artwork is by Rosa Beebe, and I put together the paper pad. If you missed the explanation of that, I will link to a video where I explain all about this, and that video is over on my channel. So I will link to that video if you want an explanation of, you know, the paper pads, how we put them together. I call it designing, but it's really putting them together. But I go into great detail in all of that over on my channel. So I will link that video in the description box down below, and the products will be linked in the description box down below. So anyhow, Jamie has restocked this. It's called Pink Berry Blast, and she restocked the ephemera as well. Now they're separate, so let's work together here and not leave Jamie hanging with, you know, just ephemera. Let's get both of them if you want to. I'm not pushing, so I am definitely not a pushy salesperson. Anyhow, I just love pattern paper and ephemera, and you'll see these cards, they came together so quickly. And what I have used today is a sketch by my friend Crystal Minkler, and I will link this Facebook group down below as well. She runs the Facebook group Build Your Stash Holiday Cards. So the premise is to work on your card. She has it's a sketch challenge, and she has a brand new sketch every single month. And so this is the sketch that came out on May 1st. And I love Crystal's sketches. So that's what I have used to create my cards today. And the ephemera and the paper. And the only thing I added to the sketch was I added this little strip of paper to cover my seam there. And for the circle element, I pulled in my doilies. I have some doodlebug doilies in my stash, and I pulled those in. And I know that this one doesn't exactly match the color, but I thought it was contrasting enough that, and kind of went together enough that it was okay. And on the inside, I put the coordinating paper on the outside and another piece of ephemera. And I've got 4 more cards for my nursing home donation stash for May. On this one, I used, and I rotated the sketch on this one because I felt like these kitty cats were all over the place, and I cut the paper wrong, and so my hearts were going the wrong way. These are tiny, tiny little hearts, and they were going the wrong way, so I thought, well, let me just rotate the sketch. And I am using some texture paper. That's one of my goals this year, is to use texture paper. So I am using some texture paper in the background. So use this kitty cat and the red strawberry, and one of the sentiments that are in the ephemera. And then then I used those 2 pieces of ephemera on the inside. And then I used this calls for confetti. I will have that link down below. This is one of my new loves. And this color is called Glazed Strawberry, but I will link to the whole section of this below so you can see that. This piece, I again used the So Very Sweet Little Sentiment, and I used one of the dolls. They are my favorite. And the teacup, and again the doily, and some confetti, not sequins, confetti, and then that's the inside of that one. And then I rotated this one too because I felt like these little plant vases needed to go that way. So I used the Your Berry Special, added the plant because it matches the plant little thing that's in the paper, and have my strawberries over here. And then I added the little basket ephemera piece on the inside, and kind of did something different on the inside with those. So those are my 4 cards. I have 2 that are vertical and 2 that are horizontal. So those are my 4 cards for today. And I will leave all the products listed in the description box down below so you can get your Pink Berry Blast. Jamie restocked it from the April box of the month, and I know that it's just come in, and I know that she won't be restocking it once it sells out again this time. So I know you're going to want to get your hands on this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.